talaga ang best travel luggage? Pag-usapan natin yan. Basic 101 muna tayo. Sa mga luggage, may mga hard shell at saka soft shell. Ang hard shell, ito po siya, yung mga matitigas na plastic. Soft shell, on the other hand, is yung mga tela at saka usually mas magaan sila. So, sa mga hard shell, usually, it's ABS plastic, PP or polypropylene, or PC or polycarbonate. Now, polypropylene, sa gitna to, it's lightweight and it's durable. PC is the most durable but medyo mas mabigat. ABS is not as durable and not as light naman. Sa previous video ko, alam nyo, lagi pinag-uusapan ang polycarbonate kasi mas gusto ko, mas matibay ang maleta mo kaysa sa magaan nga pero baka mamaya masira. Now, if you are a typical traveler na lagi ka nagta-travel with laptop ka, with tech gadget, I always recommend a hard shell na ganitong itsura. Yung meron kang compartment sa harapan where you can put in your laptop kasi mas madali mo ma-access. Logel will have one, Rimowa will have one, and other local brands meron din. Meron rin naman siyang soft shell, and Travel Pro is one of these luggage na usually makita mo mga American pilots, stewardess, eto mga ginagamit nila, and I know na matibay itong talaga tong brand na to. Hindi lang, medyo mahirap kasi I don't think sa Philippines binibenta siya, but if you're in the States, mabibili mo yan. Now, for those people na gusto talaga magaan na magaan, I've been seeing It Luggage or even Lipo. Ito yung mga sobrang manipis talaga siya na pwede mong tupiin talaga siya or i-flatten yung buong luggage na yan. Now, when it also comes to your hand carry luggage, kasi hindi mo man siya chine-check-in, I'm definitely okay to you get an ABS one, a polypropylene, or even a polycarbonate. For me, get a luggage that is fit sa budget mo and get the best that your budget can buy. Don't need to go to Rimowa. If talagang hindi kaya ng budget, wag nating pilitin, di ba? There are so many different luggage out there na kasing tibay niya, kasing ganda niya, and mas marami pang feature. Importante will always be the gulong, gulong, gulong. Now, for check-in luggage mo, ito yung mga pinapasok nyo, check-in nyo, I always want or recommend, again, dapat malaki ang gulong mo. And as much as possible, if mahilig ka mag-shop, bumili ka ng isa na may expandable. Ito yung double zip siya dyan na pwedeng lumaki yung luggage mo. Because kung kailangan mo magsiksik ng gamit, at least may extra space ka. Now, the zipper also, sana double coil siya, yung parang makapal na makapal, yung pag tinusok ng ballpen, hindi siya papasok or hindi mabubuksan right away. But these luggage will be pricier compared to those zipper na manipis lang at saka mumurahin. Marami rin nagsasabi na why not buy a class type of luggage? Go, by all means, you can buy a class type of luggage if you want. Personally, I don't use class type. Hindi ko lang siya gusto. I had bad experiences with the class breaking or even the class just snapping out of in place. Don't forget, sa class kasi, pag bumigay ang isa dyan or bumigay ang dalawa, bubuka talaga yan. While the zipper, at least kahit papaano, nazizip pa rin in place. Both may pros and cons pa rin siya, guys, but it depends on what you want. For check luggage, I always recommend buy the best, buy a polycarbonate kasi ito talagang barubal sila maghampas ng mga luggage mo. Kaya if pangit yan, guys, baka pagdating mo wala nang gulong yan.